Hey guys, this is Bonnie, and today we are making Southwest style chicken quinoa bowl, which is one of the simple plate meals available from Thrive Life. And from our pantry, we are going to need extra virgin olive oil, ground cumin, and ground chili powder. We will also need 6 cups of boiling water, which you can see my pan down here. And I have a cup and a quarter of water that I'm going to need a little bit later.
Mommy,
Yes,
when are you going to introduce us?
right now.
Okay.
And also 2 lovely assistants. Okay, so to start off, we've got our boiling water. And we're going to go ahead and add our instant quinoa. Just a minute, I don't need it yet.
I got it. Can I have the second thing? Yeah.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah, Henry. Peace.
And this is just going to boil for 2 minutes. Okay, once our 2 minutes of boiling is up for the quinoa, we're going to go ahead and add our kale. Henry, where's the kale?
In my pocket. Ah!
Not yet. So go ahead and pour that in the quinoa.
Oh, I'm opening it.
Both hands.
Look at it. It's kind of like a fountain.
Watch out. Okay, and once that has simmered for 20 seconds, we're going to go ahead and pull it off the heat and strain it. Okay, now that we've strained it, go ahead and add it to a medium-sized serving bowl. You have a couple of choices when you strain it. You can either leave it hot, like I did, or you can go ahead and rinse it with cold water if you want it as like a cold salad. So now, for step 3, we're going to add our Chef's Choice seasoning.
I will try that. I'll put it.
Oh, take that back. A quarter teaspoon of chili powder. Not yet, not yet.
No.
Quarter teaspoon of ground cumin.
I got it.
All right, now I need that little bottle. Give me the little bottle.
Here's the bottle.
That one right there.
That one. I got one.
The little bottle with the, nope, this.
That I try.
All right, can you put it in the bowl for me? Here, let me open it. Let me see. Let go, let go.
And the top.
All right, now squeeze it into the bowl. Gotta squeeze it.
That.
Mm-hmm. Got all of it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
I got it.
Yep, looks like it's all in there. All right. And we want to go ahead and add as much olive oil as we want. Just a minute. We're not ready for that yet.
Oh!
And you're just going to mix this all in. We're going to let all of those flavors just kind of meld together. Just a minute.
Okay. I kind of get a done.
Okay, next up we are going to need to make our topping for our quinoa bowl. So we want to warm up our saute pan here, and we need our 1 1/4 cups of water. All right, we need our. Hang on. You want to? Well, let me do this one. You can do the next one, okay? All right, we need our seasoning blend, which our seasoning blend consists of the Chef's Choice seasoning as well as cilantro. You see corn in there?
Yeah.
We love corn. Okay.
I love corn.
You love corn. All right. Are you going to add the corn and vegetables? All right. So we're going to add in our veggie mix, which is green chili peppers. Going to give it a little bit of a kick. And, yep, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and sweet corn. All right. So let's go ahead and add that in. Let me put this. There we go. And all of these vegetables are freeze-dried. So they're going to soak up all that water and taste just like fresh.
Corn.
All right, so now we need our freeze-dried diced chicken.
Henry.
Okay.
Henry, help.
And then we also have freeze-dried onion slices. All right. Anything else I need to add in here? I'm going to do another 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And I am going to grab a spatula here, and then we're just going to mix all this together. Got to bring this up to a simmer. Look at all those nice colors. Now, if you really wanted to, you can add anything you want to this bowl. So I think I'm actually going to go grab a can of black beans and add them in. And you can add, other freeze-dried ingredients, or you can add canned, fresh, however you want to do it. So let me go grab some black beans. And we're going to let this come up to a simmer, and then once it's simmering, we're going to simmer it for about 6 minutes. Okay, so a little disclaimer here. I'm a meddler. I cannot just follow a recipe. I like to tweak it. So, and I highly encourage you to do the same because everybody's tastes are different. Making this, and so I went to the cupboard to find black beans, and I also found diced tomatoes, and decided to add black beans and diced tomatoes to the chicken quinoa bowl. And because I added those, I needed to add another 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, another 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. So we've got this simmering. We're going to add in this velouté sauce mix. Just gonna stir this in and let this simmer for about another minute. Okay, we're gonna turn it off. And then we're just going to let this rest for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, so lunch is all ready. We wanna get a scoop of our quinoa.
Can I say hi?
In just a minute. We're just gonna taste the food.
Hi.
All right, we've got, might as well use this spoon. Scoop of our vegetable mix here. See how good that
Little
looks?
mushrooms.
There are no mushrooms in this one.
Aww.
We've got beans and tomatoes and peppers and corn.
I want this.
You just want the whole bowl?
Yeah.
Well, okay, you can have the whole bowl, but here, do a taste for me first.
Okay.
Try to get a little bit of everything in here. It's hot.
Oh.
That one's really good.
I had a little.
You had a little bit? You want to try a little bit more?
Huh.
Close your mouth. There you go. Good? All right. We like it. So, have a good one. Bon appetit.